All right, Judge, you can start now.
Okay, cause number 558-434, Alfred Carrasco. Joanne Hoyos.
Joanne Hoyos is out of county in trial. I'm covering for her. We have no contact with Alfredo Carrasco. We've called the numbers on the voucher. We try to contact him, mail letters. There's no response.
All right. What do you suspect we should do with this case then, Pat?
Your Honor, normally when they have tried everything, letters and all contact, normally the judge will go ahead and say he's going to go ahead and issue a warrant. If by chance they do get a hold of them, then they can always contact the judge and he will recall that.
Okay. Then we shall issue a warrant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see. Next case, Ms. De Hoyos says is Juan Alejandro Zavala, case number 662341.
On this case, Joanne De Hoyos has contact. We just received an offer. I believe it came in today. We just need maybe 2 weeks to find out if the client will take it or not.
All right, reset the case for then 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, your last case is, excuse me, 665-578, Rene Lopez.
On Mr. Lopez, we have no contact. Again, we tried contacting the number on file, appointment letter, not valid, send a letter, there's no response.
All right, then we will issue a warrant for Mr. Lopez.
Understood.
Anything else on your,
Your Honor,
For
he does
Joanne.
have another person. It is closer to the 2 o'clock, Joseph Statson, Teresa Woodson, or so if you could look on Woodson. For me, it would be page 3.
excuse me, 637012.
Yes, Your Honor.
Teresa Woodson.
Your Honor, on her, there was no number for me to contact her. I had to contact pretrial services. The information they gave me, I dialed it. I texted her. I've never had a response. I have no physical address to mail her anything.
How old is this case? Do we know?
Your Honor, it looks like the offense date is from April 9th of 2020.
All right, well then, sounds like we need to issue a warrant.
Yes, Your Honor.
That was my
Okay,
last
and-
case. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I guess we have a different prosecutor again.
Well, we have
Galloway.
both prosecutors, Your Honor. Now we have Megan Galloway and Guillermo Flores.
We had Miguel before, right?
Yes, Megan came a little shortly after, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, so the next one would be Stephen Herrera.
All right, Mr. Herbst.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. How are you?
You don't want to know. I'm getting better. Let's put it that way. I'm not limping quite so much. This is 622-533, Stephen Ray Herrera. Is he
Yes.
still a fugitive?
I've been in touch with them on this. We have a case evading arrest or detention. And apparently there's a new case out there with an active warrant.
So he's a fugitive on which case?
Your Honor, I believe that it is on the family violence case that we just got transferred over. I am to look at it. I will get with Mr. Herbst and let him know what it is exactly so he can contact Judge Christian and see about recalling it. He does have contact with the defendant, so we need to find out what's going on with that new case that was transferred.
Is that case going to be transferred?
It already has, Your Honor. If you look on it, I have it there. It's the assault bodily injury, married 664-944. It already has, but we just received it this week, last week.
But it was transferred to you.
Yes. Yes,
So they don't all go to,
not anymore, Your Honor. Now all county courts are taking family violence cases.
I see. All right, so,
Also, Your Honor, just for the record, I've been looking on the Bear County search engine and I don't see the second case listed.
That's
a
because of the active warrant.
couple of weeks,
Yeah.
That'd be fine, Your Honor.
we'll reset this for 2 weeks then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Ernst, do you have any other cases?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much, and you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Next case is 623-852, Oscar Arturo Luna, Joseph Acevedo.
Your Honor, Mr. Acevedo has not checked in.
Okay.
And he has several cases, Your Honor.
Let's see that. All right. Next case then is 655-141, Felipe Salazar, Donna Economidi.
Okay, and I don't have him either. And what is unusual about this is Mr. Acevedo represents Mr. Salazar in several cases. In fact, most of 3 cases, and Mr. Economidi is only in 1. So it's the same person.
They've got different names, but the same person.
They've got different attorneys, but it's the same defendant.
Well, I see. I've got,
Mm-hmm.
all right, this Joseph Acevedo has the next case as well.
Yes, Your Honor. And
Okay,
so on them, he may show up later, Your Honor. We'll just have to wait and see.
all right. We will check that out when it happens.
Sure.
All right, next case is 623-996, Julian Ramos.
Your Honor,
Ivan
Mr. Barrera has not checked in either, Your Honor. He may come in later.
All right.
I have a Julian Ramos. That
Oh,
may be
okay.
my case.
Is it
There's
your?
2 cases.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, 657-330 also. No,
I
well, you have
checked.
2
We were
different
gonna try.
cases.
Yeah, there's 2 cases, and he's a Marine, former Marine, and he's getting treatment for some PTSD. And he asked me, we were gonna try to transfer it to one of the specialty courts, but I went through all of them, and they all require that he be residing in Bear County. So I've reached out to the prosecutors about it, and I've talked to them, and I haven't heard from them yet. So I was hoping we could reset it for 30 days just so we can try to, get
You're talking
him
about
where
Mr.
he needs to go if he can
Ramos, right?
get. Yes,
Talk
sir.
about Mr.
Yes, sir.
Ramos.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that all right with you?
Yeah, only because we've had issues since he was a vet. I'll let that go.
Okay. It's your lucky day, Mr. Barrera. All right, we'll reset that one for 30 days. What about Mr. Hammonds, 657-330? Mr. Barrera?
He has not, Your Honor. The person who you talked to prior was Ross Brindell.
We're with the same firm, so I think he called me earlier, and I was on the call, so I think something happened. So he's.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if he's able to appear or what happened, but I guess if we could just get a reset,
I'll reset it for a week.
maybe for 10 days.
Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you. All right.
All right, so I'm not even certain who I was just speaking to, but
Right. It was Mr. Brindell.
Brendo. Yes, ma'am. We're with the same firm.
Right.
So,
All right, do you have any other business with the court today?
yes, Your Honor. I have Roberto Aguilar Guerrero. This is a new case for us, and he's also only Spanish speaking. So I was asking the court, and it may be a blood result test also, this to reset for 30 days because I'm gonna have to bring him into the office and use a translator and everything. So it's gonna take a little bit more time with the case than usual.
Okay, Mr. Brindell, have y'all put in your retained counsel because it does not show you as his attorney?
Well, I guess it's such a new case. That's probably what ended up happening. It's just kind of in the, stage where it may not list us as the attorney. So I'll get that notice of appearance filed today if it hasn't already been filed.
What's the defendant's name?
Roberto Aguilar Guerrero.
I have page 7, Your Honor. He is supposed to be coming in at 3 o'clock.
Oh, Aguilar Guerrero. Okay.
Yes.
So what are we doing with this case? Resetting it to 2 weeks? 1
Yes,
week?
Your Honor.
2 weeks?
2 weeks, Your Honor.
That's
All
fine.
right. Okay. Anything else you have here?
Yeah.
The next one?
Paul Klosterman, Klosterman.
Bottom of the same.
Yeah, we
That's
submitted
665962 Paul Klosterman.
Yeah, that's the one. Let me sorry about that. We submitted his application for pretrial diversion. That's what I was going to do. So I'm not sure how long that's going to take to get processed. So I guess it's at the discretion of the court to reset for what they think that may be.
Mr. Brindell, you've already turned in the application?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So that's 30 days?
Yes, Your Honor. That's what the judge does, 30 days.
All right. Take care of everything you got?
I also have another one, Joel Guerrero, and that's
The next page, Your Honor, on top.
that's 665980.
Okay.
I've also reached out to prosecution, and I guess they probably need a little bit more time. We're trying to, we have an offer, but I'm trying to negotiate with him a little bit more. And he's, expressed interest, about seeing what else we can do with the police. So I was hoping we could reset that again. That way I can receive that response from the prosecution.
So obviously you're in contact with your client.
Yeah, I talked to him today, actually.
How much time you need? 2 weeks?
Yeah, I would say that way I can, let the prosecution look at it a little bit more, and that way we can make a decision.
Okay, well, 2 weeks it is.
Thank you, Your Honor. And that is it. That's all the cases I have, unless Mr. Barrera has some more
That's
on
it.
there.
That is it. Your
Okay.
Honor, we're now back on
Okay.
page 2.
Okay,
Okay, great.
thanks. You're
Thank you.
excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's see. Julian Michael Oveda, 631503, Neil Kalfas.
I'm here for Mr. Kalfas, Your Honor. At the last setting, I believe Mr. Kalfas was here. There was a felony that was associated with it and had been dismissed for a bad search. I think that the ADA was supposed to look into that aspect of it. I don't know if they have an answer yet.
So, but you're talking about one of the felony prosecutors?
That's
No,
correct.
Judge,
Yes,
if I
sir.
may. Yeah, so I reached out to the felony ADA judge. I just need some time to review this case. But yes, the felony case was dismissed. So I just need a quick reset, Judge, so I can look at this case and see what's going on.
Much time?
I guess if you want to reset it for next week or whenever Mr. Ibarra is available.
Anytime is good, Judge.
All right, let's reset it for 1 week, see if you can get it resolved.
Okay,
Sound good?
yes.
You have anything else?
That should be it, Your Honor.
All right, great. Thank you. You're excused then.
Thank you, sir.
Next case, 632458, Benito V. Ricardo Villegas.
Your Honor, that was reset prior to the docket.
All right. 646015, Eric Anthony Trevino.
Your Honor, that was reset prior to the docket.
Okay, and 635353, Joseph Munoz. Michael White.
He has not checked in, Your Honor.
It's what?
He has not come in, Your Honor.
Okay. 635841, Joseph Frank Jellick.
That's my case, Judge. I've never talked to the prosecutor about it, so if they want to chat with me today, that's fine. If you want to reset it so they can chat with me later, then that's fine as well. I have had contact with my client, so whatever suits the court, Your Honor.
A couple of weeks, that give you plenty of time?
Sure. Mr. Flores, good for you.
Yes, sir. Sounds good.
Thank you.
Okay. You're always here ahead of time, Mr. Montgomery, at least in my experience.
It's because I live in front of a computer.
Yeah,
I guess we all do these days.
no kidding. You got anything else, Pat?
Nothing else, Judge.
All right. Thank you, Pat. You're excused then.
Good to see y'all. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Next case is 636126, Christina Elaine Muniz, Randall Griner.
Yes, Judge, I'm present. I believe we have I just need to confirm it with the prosecutor. I think we have an agreement on there. Also, she has suggested the spelling of her name is Munoz, not
Okay.
Muniz.
Munoz. All right.
Okay.
With an O.
Yes, Judge.
All right. You think a week could be able to resolve it?
Well, I can talk to Guillermo right now. That'd be fine.
Well,
and-
apparently we don't do that.
Okay, well, no, actually, I've got a funeral to go to in Alabama and I'll be driving there. So 2 weeks probably be better.
All right, that'll work. I'll reset that for 2 weeks.
All
You have
right, thank
anything
you,
else?
Judge. No, Judge, that's it.
All right, well, safe travels.
Thank you.
You bet. You're excused then. 639316, Adan Gomez, Tony Hernandez.
Good afternoon, Judge. That is a PTD application that was submitted back in June.
A what?
It's a PTD application that was submitted back in June.
A pretrial diversion, Your Honor, application.
Yeah, no, I just,
Okay.
my hearing's not so good. I
I'm
can
sorry,
figure it
Judge.
out. Give me a little bit more time, okay? So that was, so you're still waiting to hear?
We are still waiting, Judge.
Yeah, Mr. Hernandez, I double checked because I've been watching this and they still have not. And I think you wound up applying twice. And
We did.
They
On this one, we did.
yes or no? Yes.
Yeah. And we've got 2 others that are still in your court that are still pending.
Or
You know what, you should email me those and then maybe I could, or send them to Guillermo and maybe they can double check on that. Because
I can do that.
Well, Mr. Hernandez, if you want to send them an email to PTD staff, they'll
Okay.
give you more info.
this
Okay.
has been forever.
and change the font, make it much larger. That'll work. Oh, we'll just do another 30 days then, right?
Yeah, I'll do 30 days, Mr. Hernandez, but I am checking with you. I'm doing the same thing.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Pat.
You're
All right,
welcome.
Tony, do you have
That's okay.
anything else?
That's it. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, Tony. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
640106, Alberto Omar Perez, Guillermo Lara.
Good afternoon, Judge. Here on that case. Judge, this is a trial case, so we would just be asking for a trial setting on the matter.
Guillermo, it will be November 15th.
November 15th?
Okay, and I will send you that reset later in the week. Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
COVID gonna be over with by November the 15th?
May not, I'm resetting everything now. We'll be back by September.
All right. Do you have nothing else, Mr. Lotta?
No, Judge, I have nothing else, Judge.
All right, thank you, sir. You're excused then.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay,
Do we need to recall any of these off the 2 o'clock docket?
at this point, I don't see anybody. You can continue your,
Okay, do we have anybody here for the 2:30 docket?
actually, we do. Mr. Dominique came in,
Yes.
and so
How you doing?
his client.
Can you hear me?
So that's 648-446.
Yes, Your
Jose
Honor.
Luis Chavez.
Yes, Your Honor.
And there's also at 648-447. So what do we have?
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. I thought you couldn't hear me for a second. I need to confer with the state, hopefully on Zoom. I've tried to confer with them over email and I've received some initial offer, but I'd like to talk to them face to face if possible, Your Honor.
Okay. How much time do you need?
Hopefully not a lot, but it's not. I needed some time to speak with them. Maybe 20 minutes at the most. I don't think it'll take more than that today. We
Okay,
can
Mr.
confer.
Dominique, we don't do that during ours. Now, what
Okay.
the judge has done in the past, if you want to come back at about 3:15 or so,
Okay.
and we're almost finished, then I can put you in a breakout room at that time.
Okay, that works for me.
Okay.
Does my client need to be here for that?
No, he does
Oh,
not. He's
okay.
excused and he never has to show.
Oh, okay. I thought I just
All
didn't wanna get a
defendants are
warrant for his name.
excused
Okay.
per Judge Christian.
Gotcha. Perfect. Okay, so we'll see 3:15, same Zoom link?
That's fine. Yeah, it's the same one. We'll
So
be,
why don't we, let's just reset this for 1 week and then hopefully you can come back and tell us you're ready to resolve it.
That sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.
So
You
we're
anything
excused,
else?
correct? No, that should be it.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We'll
Hopefully
see
you can
in a
get
little bit.
hooked up with the state this afternoon.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
okay. Your Honor, I believe Ms. Russell is here for Mr. Van.
Van Cleve, yes, yes,
For
ma'am.
who?
For Gregory and Albert Van Cleve, Judge,
Yes, thank you.
we have 3
I'm
cases.
sorry, I didn't quite understand you. What are we doing?
Well,
I'm here.
it's at 2:30, but they're here, Your Honor.
Okay, but what case?
I have go ahead.
Go ahead.
I have Danielle Dolishall, Tom Hill, and I have one more,
Whitney Smith,
Whitney Smith.
page
So
4.
the second one you said was Tom Hill?
Yes, yes, sir.
That's would be on the next page. Your Honor.
Yeah, and what's the third one?
Whitney Smith.
Whitney,
The order would be Danielle Dilshaw, Whitney Smith.
oh, there it is, okay.
Okay. That's
All right. 650783 is Danielle Dolsall.
Yes, Judge. On Ms. Dolishall, we have reached an agreement with the state and we have a plea set for this Thursday.
yes.
Okay, great. Then 666470, Whitney Smith.
On Whitney Smith, Judge, we have not had an opportunity to confer with the prosecutor.
Okay, are you in contact with your client?
I am.
All right. 1 week, 2 weeks?
I guess it's up to the state, Judge. I just haven't heard anything from them.
What says the state?
Yes, Judge. The weeks should be good.
Week.
A week? Okay.
Yes.
Will we reset that case for 1 week?
Okay.
And the last case is Tom Hill, 667107.
And the same on that case, Judge. I have not heard from the state.
Okay, 1 week, then we'll reset both of those cases. All right, do you have anything else?
That's it, Your Honor.
All right, great. Thank you very much, and you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, at this time, we don't have any attorneys that have signed in. We still have 3 minutes. I'm going to take us off of YouTube. Mr. Wooldridge has come in, Stephen Wooldridge. He actually is after Mr. Thomas Hill.
Right. Okay, 651-842, Jack Ryan Berklin, Stephen Wooldridge. What do we have?
Yes, sir. I'm here for
All right.
Jack. I have sent all the paperwork to my client, his application, probation, data information sheet, and I have not received it back. I also got a notice from the defense attorney that there was a discovery video that I've not been able to download that I got on September the 2nd. And I think I may need to extend this for 1 more week to enter our plea agreement and go forward with that.
Okay, so
You said you received a notice of a discovery from the defense attorney. You mean the state?
No, from the district attorney.
Okay, all right. I'm sorry. I misunderstood you. All right, and we'll reset this for 1 week. Hopefully you can get everything resolved.
Mr.
I've
Wooldridge,
seen it with the driver's license suspension, and I think I know what it is, but I can't open it right now.
okay, and Mr. Wooldridge, I have a question. All right, so you're saying that you sent him the probation application and data sheet?
Yes.
When you have a plea and you inform me that there is a plea, I send all the paperwork, including the probation application, excuse me, and the data sheet. All of it goes by Adobe Sign for y'all to sign, and then it goes to the judge, straight to the judge to be.
Okay.
So I just want you to know, when you decide that there is a plea, you need to contact me and give me your client's email address so that I can send all that paperwork. It will go first to you for you to complete your portion, then to your defendant for them to complete their portion.
Okay.
And it will automatically go to the judge for his signature.
All right.
Just so that
I am the world's worst criminal defense attorney. I admit that I have done everything that you are supposed to do. But let me get to you. Can I give it your email?
If you have all the paperwork involved, which is more of the admonitions for constitutional rights and the defendant's right to
I have the right to appeal, the waiver.
The other thing that you can do is you can always, once you've completed the signatures with yours and with your clients, you can scan it to me and email it to me that way. And I can accept it.
That is where I am in the process of doing it. Okay.
Just want to make sure.
I wanted to make sure I got all the documents to you. Okay. But if 1 week, we should get everything wrapped up. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
We also now have Dylan George, Your Honor. I'd have to see where his is.
Vidalis. True Vidalis.
Say Vidalis.
I don't know that I have you. I don't see you. Hold on.
I just need to get an offer from the state. 652-686. Probably an add-on.
Nope, it's not an add-on, and you are not set for today.
Okay.
Set for next week.
Oh, yeah.
So you have a whole week to get that offer.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for dropping by.
Sure thing.
Okay, all we have are defendants at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to keep track of the ones we've dealt with out of order, but
Yeah, that's what happens all the time.
you haven't said anything about the lack of facial hair.
What lack of, you still have.
Well, it used to be